and I thought it was absolutely amazing, and it totally stuck to me. And a while down the road, then I got to enter Miss Irish America pageant, and I made Welcome Poor Patty Home into a waltz, and it really helped me. The judges were crying, so I know I did it okay. So for you, I'm going to sing Welcome Poor Patty Home, and yeah, we'll see how that goes. Well, here I am, an Irishman, and an Irishman I'll never deny. For today I was born in Tipperary town, 3,000 miles away. I was always hailed and hearty, no matter where that I would be. I was forced to leave old Ireland and sail for o'er the sea. Hooray me, boys, hooray! No more do I wish for to roam, for the sun it will shine in the harvest time, for to welcome poor Paddy home. Well, the girls are gay and frisky, they'll take you by the hand, singing come along with me, will you welcome to Ireland. Hooray me, boys, hooray! No more do I wish for to roam, for the sun it will shine in the harvest time, for to welcome poor Paddy home. Hooray me, boys, hooray! No more do I wish for to roam, for the sun it will shine in the harvest time, for to welcome poor Paddy home.